Welcome back to my FinHub. Well, if money grew on trees, wouldn't we all be professional gardeners? But since it doesn't, let's make the game of saving money as fun as leveling up in your favorite game. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn managing your money into an exciting quest. What if saving money could feel like playing your favorite video game? Imagine this: every rupee you save, every loan you pay off, and every goal you achieve takes you one step closer to victory. In today's video, we'll show you how to make managing your money fun and exciting by turning it into a game. Stick with us to learn 3 easy ways to turn your financial goals into a game you'll actually enjoy. Firstly, define your game objective. Just like in a game, you need a mission. What's your big financial goal for 2025? Is it paying off your loan, saving 5 lakhs for emergencies, or building a fund for your dream vacation to Dubai? Choose your goal. This is your final level to win. Now, divide your goal into smaller levels. For example, if you want to save 5 lakhs rupees, your levels could be 50,000 rupees, 2 lakhs rupees, 4 lakhs rupees, and so on. Every time you hit a milestone, you'll feel closer to victory. Next step is to use a progress tracker. In every game, you need to track your progress, and your finances are no different. Use a chart, a savings app, or even a simple notebook to track how close you are to your goal. Make it fun by turning your tracker into something exciting, like a game board. For example, if you save 20,000 rupees, reward yourself with a nice dinner, or if you save 50,000 rupees, treat yourself to a small gift. Last but most important, reward yourself the smart way. What's the best part of any game? The rewards. Make sure to celebrate when you reach a milestone, but keep it budget friendly. For example, if you've saved 1 lakh rupees, treat yourself to a day trip or buy something small that makes you happy. These little celebrations will keep you motivated without setting you back on your goals. Remember, every small win is a step toward the big win. Well, let's tell you the secret. Actually, your financial goals are easier to reach than you think. Just by turning saving and spending into a fun game, you can stay motivated and enjoy the journey. So, what's your first mission? Start preparations for New Year's new way of looking at your personal money management, track your progress, and reward yourself for every step forward. Let's make year 2025 your best financial year so far. Subscribe to my FinHub for more fun and simple money tips, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's make 2024 a winning year for all of us.